Jenny Turner with Lovejoy Real Estate here. Today we're going to talk about buying your first investment property. Maybe you've been dreaming of being a landlord. It's time to get out there and do it. First step usually is talk to a lender. Most of the time when you're looking at buying a rental property, you want to put 25% down. You can do it with 20% down, but in this market, interest rates and fees are a lot better when you get to that 25% down mark. Think about the numbers. Is the rent going to cover the mortgage on a 30-year basis, on a 15-year loan? How are those numbers going to look for you? Are you going to have to write a check each month to help have that rental property? The more money down you put, of course, the better the mortgage and the better the return on investment. Then think about the type of rental property you want to buy. You want to buy a house or a condo or a townhouse. I know for my clients, I often don't recommend condos just because by the time you get the HOA fees in there, the numbers don't always work. Condos can have rental caps. Just a lot of other limitations around condos as investment properties, but they are the least expensive property, so sometimes that part does make sense. The third thing about investment properties you should think about is where are you going to buy them? Are you going to buy them in the town that you live in, or are you going to buy them somewhere else? When I buy a rental property, I like buying it where I can drive by it. I like checking on it. I like knowing it's still there. I like seeing it. But I just had a friend buy a rental property. She bought a duplex in Cleveland, Ohio, because the math worked a lot better for her. So thinking about how you want and where you want that investment property to be will also be helpful as you go through this process. Want to know more about rental property? Follow us on Facebook and Instagram.